Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech Upskill channel.
In today's video, I'll guide you on how to resolve the Roblox error code
277, which says lost connection to the game server, please reconnect. Please check your internet connection and try again.
This issue usually arises when Roblox's servers are down, but there are also a few troubleshooting steps you can take to fix it. And now let's get started. The first thing you should do when you see error code 529 is check if Roblox is experiencing any server issues. To do this, open a browser and navigate to status.roblox.com, the official server status page for Roblox. This website shows the current status of all Roblox servers, including those for PC, mobile, and consoles. If any servers are down, that could be the reason you're getting the error, and you'll have to wait for Roblox to resolve the issue. If Roblox's servers are working fine, and you're still seeing error code 529, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Right-click the network icon and select Diagnose Network Problems to run a network test. Afterward, you can choose to restart the adapter to refresh your network connection. If the error persists after running the troubleshooter, another option is to test Roblox on a different device. If you're playing on a computer, try switching to your phone or console. Alternatively, if you're using your phone, try playing Roblox on your computer device. This will help determine if the issue lies with your device rather than the game itself. If none of the previous steps resolve the issue, a simple reboot of both your computer and router can often do the trick. Start by rebooting your computer, and if the issue continues, unplug your router for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Once your router is back online, try playing Roblox again to see if the error code 529 is fixed. And that is it. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.